Nasa sales ka ba? Or maybe you have sales experience in the past or even ngayon. Tamang-tama, ikaw yung hinahanap ko. Because I am looking for people to be new members of my team here in AIA. So I'm DJ Di Maliwat and naghahanap ako ng mga taong may sales experience, may motivation, merong kakayanan to also handle some of the rejections, pero mataas din yung mga pangarap. Kung mataas yung pangarap mo, para sa'yo to. So, as you all know, I have a big team here in AIA Philippines. We are a life insurance company. And I'm looking for people who have experience in sales to be AIA life planners and then eventually work their career up and become managers and even manager of managers just like me in the next 3 to 5 years. If you're willing na maglagay ng time sa career track mo so that in the next 5 years, gaganda yung career mo, lalaki yung negosyo mo, lalaki yung kita mo, then para sa iyo ito. So, DJ, kung nasa sales na ako, bakit naman ako pupunta pa sa insurance? Maybe, you have a few reasons. Maybe you feel underpaid with where you are right now and gusto mong mas masuklian yung hard work mo and yung sipag mo. So, para sa'yo ito. Or maybe you just wanna double your income. Meron kang ginagawa ngayon, you're quite successful with where you are right now, pero alam mo na kailangan mo pang dagdagan yung income mo because you have a lot of big dreams and alam mo, magmamahal din naman yung mga bilihin in the past. You wanna invest probably, travel the world, para rin sa'yo to. So whether you wanna change careers or gusto mong magdagdag ng income, hindi lang an extra income but another line para madoble yung income mo, right? You are the right person that I am looking for. So bakit ka lilipat sa insurance? I'll give you 3 reasons. Number 1, you will be able to sell products that actually make a difference to other people's lives. Right? So magaling ka, you have the skill, nakaka-close ka. Why not offer something na talagang maganda yung produkto, makakatulong sa tao at sa family niya. Hindi lang ngayon but also in the future. So that's what life insurance and financial planning is all about. The products that we have, life insurance, health insurance, for education, for retirement, future savings, right? So lahat yan, napaka-important. And kailangan natin ng mga taong magagaling, marurunong, right? Kayang tumanggap ng rejections kasi hindi naman lahat bibili. Pero may magandang direksyon at gusto pang mag-increase yung kanyang income at makatulong sa maraming tao. So napakagandang product nito. Number 2, maybe you want to level up and be promoted into a managerial position. Gusto mo na mag-handle ka rin ng mga tao and kasabay niyan paglaki ng income mo. Right? So, yun yung another reason why pupunta ka dito sa insurance industry. Kasi here in our company, at the very least, very structured yung requirement to be promoted. Hindi pinipigilan ma-promote yung mga tao. So, walang politics. Just deliver what needs to be done. Galingan mo din. I-lead mo yung mga tao, care enough for them. And then you will be able to be promoted and work your way up. And of course, kasabay dyan yung paglaki ng income. Alright? So number 3, maybe the reason then is gusto mo ring matuto about your own finances. Maybe maganda naman yung income mo, pero hindi mo na ma-manage na maigi yung kita or hindi mo alam how to invest, where to put your money. So in this industry, especially in our team, we focus. Our vision is financial freedom for every Filipino. So we want to train yung mga kasamahan namin, not just clients, but tayong mga advisors, mga life planners, to also learn where to put in their money, not just manage the money, not just buy insurance, but also to invest. So maybe gusto mo ring ma-manage yung pera mo, makapag-invest din sa tamang investment options. Alright? And then yun din yung ituturo mo at i-share mo sa mga kasamahan, mga kliyente mo, kasamahan natin. Alright? Maybe you wanna learn that. Maybe you wanna grow. Alright? So kasama dun yung paglaki ng income. Kaya dapat dagdagan mo yung income mo, palakihin natin. Right? And then we'll be able to invest. Now, if you have a lot of big dreams, this is one industry that can really make it happen. Travel, income, different types of investments, personal growth and development. So kung tingin mo, para sa'yo to, do not hesitate to reach out to me and send me a message dito sa aking Facebook page. Go to facebook.com/DJDimaliwatOfficial, reach out to me, and let me know if you want to work together. So that's it.